Good evening, dear students. Today I am going to start new chapter. The name of the chapter is Self-Management Skills. So, let's begin. Session 1, Apply Stress Management Techniques. First, I'll give the introduction about self-management skills. What is self-management? Self-management is the ability to control and regulate our emotions, thoughts, and behavior as per the situation. Self-management is also known as self-control or self-regulation. It helps us to achieve predetermined goals by regulating our actions, organizing our time, and taking responsibility for our decisions. And self-management can be defined as our ability to manage our tasks and goals successfully, control feelings, emotions, and activities, learn new ideas sincerely, and work towards reaching goals. Now let's see stress and its types. Stress is a feeling of emotional or physical tension. It is our body reaction to a challenge or demand. It can come from any events or thoughts that makes us feel frustrated, angry, or nervous. Stress can be either positive, means good, or negative, means which is bad. What is positive stress? Stress, which results from exhilarating experience, can be positive. A little stress is important to keep us going. For example, just imagine you have received an unexpected promotion in office. Doesn't your heart start beating faster? Negative stress. Mostly stress strikes us in a negative way. It stems from the fear of losing, falling, overworking, or not being able to cope. Such a stress affects us in a harmful manner. Now let's see meaning and importance of stress management. Stress management is all about taking charge of your lifestyle, thoughts, emotions, and the way you deal with problems. Stress management starts with identifying the sources of stress in your life. This is not as easy as it sounds. To identify the true source of stress, look closely at your habits, attitude, and excuses. Until you accept responsibility for the role you play in creating or maintaining it, your stress level will remain outside your control. Being well versed with stress coping mechanism helps people lead an healthy and happier life. Now, importance of stress management increases efficiency and effectiveness, improves mood, have a good health condition, more confident towards yourself, build good relationship with others. Then let's see what are the sources of stress. Stressor, anything that causes stress. Physical stress. Physical stress refers to how our body reacts and responds to stressful situation. It is a common response to situations where do or die situations arises. Illness, injury, lack of activity comes under the physical stress. Mental stress. It is often spoken of as emotional stress and involves powerful feelings and emotions. It hampers the power of our own mind in how we think, rationalize, and make meaning of our stress and worries. Coping with stress. It may seem that there is nothing you can do about stress. Managing stress is all about taking charge of your thoughts, emotions, schedule, and the way you deal with problems. Here are some ways for reducing stress. Identify the causes of stress by monitoring your state of mind throughout the day. If you feel stressed, write down the cause, your thoughts, and your mood. Once you know what's bothering you, Develop a plan for addressing it. If you are angry, go out. Before you react, take some time by counting to 10. Then reconsider walking or other physical activities can also help you work off steam. Enjoy your life, have fun, relax, meditate for some times. These all are the some ways for reducing stress. Now let's look into stress management strategies. Stress management strategy 1. Avoid unnecessary stress. Not all stress can be avoided, and it is not healthy to avoid a situation that needs to be addressed. You may be surprised by the number of stresses in your life that you can eliminate. Learn how to say no. You should know your limits and stick to them. Avoid people who stress you out. Take control of your environment. Pare down your to-do list. Stress management strategy 2. Alter the situation. If you cannot avoid a stressful situation, try to alter it. Figure out what you can do to change things so the problems doesn't present itself in the future. Express your feelings instead of bottling them up. If something or someone is bothering you, communicate your concern in an open and respectful way. Be willing to compromise. When you ask someone to change their behavior, be willing to do the same, and then you will have a good chance of finding a happy middle ground. Be more assertive. Manage your time better. Stress management strategy 3. Accept the things you can't change. Some sources of stress are unavoidable. You cannot prevent or change stressors such as the death of a loved one, a serious illness. In such a cases, the best way to cope with stress is to accept things. Don't try to control the uncontrollable. Look for the upside. Share your feelings. Learn to forgive. These all are the some stress management strategies. Now let's see what are the stress management techniques. When stress starts interfering with your ability to live a normal life for an extended period, it becomes risky. The longer the stress lasts, the worse it is for both your mind and body. Reducing your stress levels not only makes you feel better, but also protect your health long term. Then what are the stress management techniques? Redirect your energy. Work on creative project, exercise, etc. Relax and laugh. Keep a positive outlook. Seek out support. Express yourself. And also adopt a healthy lifestyle. Eat a healthy diet. Get enough sleep. Physical exercise. Yoga. Yoga is another form of exercise. It has all sorts of exercise, physical exercise, breathing pattern, and meditation. Meditation helps in enhancing our mind power. These all are the some techniques for stress management. Now let's see some healthy ways to relax and recharge. Go for a walk. Spend time in nature. Enjoy a warm cup of coffee or tea. Listen to music. Watch a comedy. Work in your garden. Play with a pet. These all are the some healthy ways where you can relax your mind and your body. Not only these, beyond take charge approach and a positive attitude, you can reduce stress in your life by enjoying yourself. If you regularly make time for fun and relaxation, you will be in a better place to handle life's stresses when they comes. You all are aware that stress is a normal thing that happens to everyone from time to time. We should not allow that to hamper our daily activities. So whenever possible, go out and enjoy small things in life. Plan fun outing with family and friends. taking nature walks. Nature has a healing capacity. When we are in the lap of nature, we do not feel stressed. If we take out time for nature walks, it tends to reduce our stress level. A nature walk of 5 to 10 minutes after 2 hours of continuous work is enough to relax. Like this, you can reduce your stress. These all are the some stress management techniques. That's all about it. Thank you.